A memorial now set up outside of Club Q, where there was a fatal shooting of 5 people at a gay nightclub. Now, the suspect involved in this shooting was scheduled for a jail hearing on Wednesday. The motive into Saturday's shooting still under investigation as these details emerge about the suspect, Anderson Lee Aldrich, who's 22 years old. Suggested he possibly had a turbulent upbringing. He's appearing virtually in court. Let's go ahead and bring you that right here on Live Now from Fox.
Aldrich appears in custody for video advisement today with counsel. Counsel, are you waiving reading an advisement of the rights, charges, and penalties in this case at this time?
Yes, we are.
Are the people seeking a proof evident presumption great hearing in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then pursuant to Colorado Revised Statute 16-4-101-1A, I find there is legal authority to hold Anderson Aldrich without bond at this time. The next court hearing in this case will be held on December 6th of 2022 at 8:30 in the morning in Division 21 with Judge Michael McHenry. Are there any other matters that the parties would like to address today?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask if the court could set another date, not December 6th. Mr. Bowman is going to be in a jury trial over there at that time.
Let me find out if that would be possible. Okay, we're checking on that. Just bear with us.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Judge, while we're checking on available dates, it's customary in the 4th Judicial District to file charges within 10 days of today. If we're going further from that, are they waiving any time constraints that would be associated therewith?
Did the defense hear Mr. Allen?
Yes, we can't accept the 6th because Mr. Bowman's trial calendar. We can do it earlier next week if Mr. Allen would like that, or we could waive the 10 days.
I don't believe that Judge McHenry is available earlier, which was the reason that it was set for the 6th, but we are reaching out to his staff right now to find out. So we'll let you know in just a moment. Okay. So Division 21 is indicating that currently that is the only date that is available. I would encourage counsel to follow up with Division 21 after the holiday, early next week, to see if something else could be arranged. That's the only information I have at this time. Judge McHenry is not in currently, and so we can't get additional information from him. Mr. Bowman.
I have nothing further, Judge.
Okay. I understand the position the defense is in, and it is clear in the record that you're not accepting that date. We will schedule the case for that date and time, but Division 21 and the people are on notice that that date may be changed, and that is the defense's request. Are there any other matters that either side would like me to address right now?
Nothing from us, Judge.
Okay. Anything from the defense?
Yes, Your Honor, we would ask that the court allow the defense to have a copy of the arrest warrant unsealed so that we may review it and advise our client in advance of the next court date.
Mr. Allen.
We have no objection to the court unsealing for purposes of defense, so just as it relates to representation.
I did review defense's motion in that regard prior to this hearing today. I will release the affidavit to defense counsel and their investigator with a protective order in place that it not be released any further. And will the people make sure that defense counsel gets a copy of that?
We can arrange that.
Thank you. Anything else for the purposes of today's hearing?
Not from defense.
Not from us, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. We will be in recess.
Thank you.
All right, so a very short appearance here, again, in Colorado, where this suspect who authorities say killed 5 people, injured many others at an LGBTQ nightclub in Colorado Springs. Will had appeared here virtually. That suspect again was 22-year-old Anderson Lee Aldrich. He was hospitalized after patrons of Club Q. Police have been hailing them heroes for preventing deaths. The suspect was tackled and beaten by patrons on that night.